Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so excited that you're here. And if you're returning to my channel, oh my goodness, thank you so much. It means the world to me. 2021 is here, finally. I don't know if you guys are excited. I know I'm looking forward to a fresh new start in a new year. And is it too soon to do a haul video? I think not. So, if you want to see my hair care haul, then just keep watching. Please don't judge my hair today with this video. I didn't feel like doing anything to my hair today. I have those days a lot anymore. But I wanted to show you guys what I picked up at Ulta. I actually purchased this over the summer when we were out in Utah because would it be vacation without at least doing one splurge? I think not. And I was ready to try out some new hair care products. I recently decluttered some hair care, so if you want to see that, I'll link it down below for you guys. But I definitely wanted to share this with you before I get to using it. And I think I'm going to start testing them out tomorrow. We actually are getting our maternity pictures taken tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. So if you want to know my thoughts on any of these, then let me know in the comments down below, and I will be happy to do a review video for you, a testing it video for you, whatever. Just let me know. I feel like my hair type is fine. I have a decent amount of hair. Like, I don't have thin hair, but I have very, very fine hair. Each one of my strands of hair is so itty bitty 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 fine. It can get frizzy. It can get tangled really easily. It can get greasy kind of easily, I feel like. I'm trying to train my hair where I don't have to wash it as often. So far, I feel like it's helping a little bit. Dry shampoo is still my friend. But I know I personally struggle with finding a shampoo and conditioner that really works well for me. There are some that just weigh my hair down way too much and make it go oily so fast. Like, it's so frustrating when you wash your hair and the next day it is so oily. I can't stand that because I would rather not wash my hair every day. So I decided to pick these up. These are the Redken brand. I've had really good luck with Redken products in the past. And this is their Clear Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I always buy the shampoo and conditioner that go together. I don't know if that's good or not, but I always do. So it says light moisture for normal dry hair. And I picked this up because I still need moisture because my ends can get really dry and tangly. But I want something that's going to be light enough that it's not going to weigh down my hair. It's not going to make it really greasy really fast. I'm really excited to give these a try. Honestly, these smell just like a really fresh, clean, almost laundry smell. That's not my favorite for hair care products. I love scented hair care. Like, give me all the scent in my hair care. I really love strong scents in my hair care. If you are more of a clean kind of person, if you like that clean, fresh laundry scent, I think you would really like these. It's not my favorite, but it's not something that's going to make me not want to use it. I'm very excited to give this a go. Right now, for reference, I am using the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. I do like it, but I do find it's one of those that can make my hair go greasy a little faster than I would like. And then once it does that, it just goes and gets really weighed down. But I do feel like it takes good care of my hair, so that is the struggle right there. The products from my collection, again, I'll link the declutter down below. But the things for me that I was really getting tired of and not fully in love with in my hair care, hairstyling product collection was my volumizing mousse by Redken. Mousse, I've decided it's not my favorite. I'd rather have something I can spray in my hair. I don't know why. It's just easier for me. And I guess it's a little less messy. Like, I don't have to work it in. I can just spritz and go. And then I was also really not in love with their Redken heat protector styling spray. It could make my hair too crunchy. I'm not a fan of that. And then their sea salt spray, I just decided I don't think sea salt sprays are for me. So that is why I picked up these three products. I've really wanted to try Bumble and Bumble more recently. I picked up a couple minis a while back and I remember really liking them. So I wanted to dive in a little bit further. I decided to go with the Bumble and Bumble BB Hairdressers Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer. I love using something that's going to protect my hair when I decide to use heated tools. I loved the sound of this invisible oil because, again, I want my hair to look shiny. I want it to be hydrated, but I don't want it to be weighed down or greasy, so I don't know. This sounded good. It had good reviews online. If you guys have used this, let me know what you think. But I'm really excited to give this a try, and I love that it's a spray. I just love sprays. This one I have used, and I know I like. I'm excited to really use it more though, because I got like a really tiny mini at one point. So this, I mean, this will be the true test. Like, does it really work? I remember it helping thicken my hair, and I don't mean thicken and helping it grow, but just give it some more volume, give it some life. This is their Bumble & Bumble BB Thickening Spray, preps hair for lush blow dries. So, like I said, I love a spritzer. I love this comes in a spritzer. I also love that this product is literally like water, so I don't feel like it's something that becomes heavy in my hair. I kind of felt like the mousse was a little too heavy for me. It was just too much in my fine hair. And then this is what I'm going to be testing out instead of sea salt spray, because I love texture in my hair. There's nothing better than when you get your hair freshly done and your stylist, you know, they know what they're doing, unlike myself, and they just texturize it up and it just looks so sassy and good, and you're like, oh, it'll never look like this again, but you know, for that one day you really enjoy it. So I wanted something that was going to give me that texture, that sass, but the sea salt spray I had, it did give me that texture, but if I put too much, which is my fault for being heavy-handed, it would weigh down my curls, and I already struggle with getting my curls to stay in my hair. Curls fall out so stinking fast in my hair, and I've heard so many people rave about this. Is it Quay? Is that how you say it? I don't know. Quay? I think it is. I have no idea really. Texturizing hairspray. So this is going to give me that texture, that kind of lived-in look, that like, oh, I'm trying, but I'm not trying too hard kind of vibe. That's what I want to go for. I'm really excited to give this a go. If you have used it, let me know your thoughts down below. I seriously love hearing your guys' input. But that is my little hair care, hairstyling product haul. I love diving into new hair care products. It just isn't something I get to do a lot since I don't use heat on my hair very often. I probably use heat once a week, on a crazy week, 2 times a week, but you know, 2020 wasn't really doing much, so I wasn't using heated tools on my hair very often or doing much with my hair, kind of like today. So it takes me forever to go through these products, so I'm very excited to dive into something new and try it out. I'm really on the search in 2021 for like my ride or die holy grail products, whether it's skincare, makeup, hair care. Like, I just want to find those products that I know I can reach for, that I'm in love with, that they work for me. So hopefully these work out. And like I said, if you want to see a review of them, you want to see me test them out, anything, just let me know down below. I love hearing from you guys. Alright, that is everything. This video is short and sweet, but I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.